Dear teacher, we are going to know how to correct answer sheets in Google Classroom. First of all, open Google Classroom app and select the class you want to correct the papers. Then select your assignment. You get assignments submitted by your children. Now, my mobile is in horizontal. This is the PDF file of a student. Open it and these are the answers. Now we need to correct this answer sheet. Let's go to top corner. Here you find out editing symbol. Click on it. Now answer sheet is ready to get corrected. You can zoom in and zoom out the answer sheet to check each sentence. Look down. Here is tool menu. This is used to write something on answer sheet. These three are pens. You can select anyone, but I suggest you to take this pen. I want to correct the answer sheets now. This is thicker. I want to make it thin. I scroll up here. You can choose the color you want. I choose red here. Then you can also choose the thickness of your pen. You can adjust the answer sheet by zooming in and zooming out. If you want to go to next page, here is arrow symbol, click it. Adjust the answer sheet again. Third page now. If you want to undo your correction, click this back or undo symbol. My correction is done. To save this answer sheet, click on this save icon. If answer sheet is an image instead of a PDF file, there are three dot symbols. You get save option and click on it. Now the answer sheet is saved. Here you can see your corrected or edited answer sheet. Count the marks and give the marks on add grade option. Then go to return option. When you click on it, marks and corrected answer sheets are returned to the students. I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching.